Hello students, myself Shweta. Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss properties of factors. As you know, factor is a number which divides given number exactly without leaving a remainder. Now let us take look at certain points which we need to understand related to factors with the help of some examples. Point 1. The number 1 is a factor of every number. See how 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 8 divided by 1, we get 8 as the quotient. 1 multiplied by any number, we get number itself as a product. Any number divided by 1, we get the number itself as a quotient. Hence we conclude that number 1 is factor of every number. Now second point is every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Non-zero number means number not equal to 0. Let us take one example. 6 multiplied by 1. We get 6 as a product. Any number multiplied by 1, we get number itself. So non-zero number is factor of itself. Third point is smallest factor of number is 1 and the largest factor is the number itself. As you know, factors of 12 are factors of 12. 12 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So in these factors, 1 is the smallest factor and 12 is the largest factor. So smallest factor of number is 1 and the largest factor is the number itself. Our next point is every factor of a non-zero number is less than or equal to the number. Let us take same example. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1 is less than 12. 2 is less than 12. 3 is less than 12. 4, 6 also less than 12. But 12 is equal to 12. So we conclude that every factor of non-zero number is less than or equal to the number. Next point is a number has limited number of factors. 12 factors of 12. Same example 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors. Let us take another example. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 15 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are of 15. 6 factors are of 12. Hence we conclude that a number has limited number of factors. So these are the properties of factors. Let us proceed with next topic, HCF, highest common factor. What do we mean by HCF? The largest number which exactly divides two or more number is called their highest common factor, HCF. Let us take an example. Find HCF of 16 and 20. Find highest common factor of 16 and 20. Factors of 16. Firstly, we will write factors of 16. 16 is exactly divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So these are the factors of 16. Factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 20 is exactly divisible by these numbers. So these are the factors of 20. To find HCF, firstly we will find common factors. Common factors. Common factors of 16 and 20. Between 16 and 20, 1 is common, 2 is common, and 4 is common. So 1, 2, 4 are the common factors between 16 and 20. Out of these three factors, 4 is the largest factor. So we say that 4 is the highest factor of 16 and 20. So HCF is highest common factor is 4. Hope you understood the topic. Okay students, take care. Bye.